Clothes vocabulary. Shirt. Shirt. I am wearing a new shirt today. T-shirt. T-shirt. He likes to wear a white t-shirt. Pants. Pants. My pants are very comfortable. Jeans. Jeans. She bought blue jeans yesterday. Shorts. Shorts. I wear shorts in summer. Trousers. Trousers. He wears black trousers at work. Jacket. Jacket. Put on your jacket, it's cold outside. Coat. Coat. My coat keeps me warm in winter. Sweater. Sweater. She knitted a red sweater. Hoodie. Hoodie. I like to wear a hoodie at home. Suit. Suit. He wore a suit to the meeting. Blazer. Blazer. Her blazer looks very stylish. Dress. Dress. She is wearing a beautiful dress. Skirt. Skirt. That skirt is too long for me. Blouse. Blouse. She bought a new white blouse. Top. Top. This top matches your jeans. Scarf. Scarf. I wear a scarf when it's cold. Gloves. Gloves. He put on his gloves before going out. Socks. Socks. Don't forget to wear clean socks. Shoes. Shoes. My shoes are very comfortable. Hat. Hat. He wore a hat to protect from the sun. Cap. Cap. I like wearing a cap when I play. Belt. Belt. I need a belt for my trousers. Tie. Tie. He is wearing a red tie today. Uniform. Uniform. Students wear a uniform to school. Raincoat. Raincoat. Take your raincoat, it might rain. Pajamas. Pajamas. I sleep in soft pajamas. Nightdress. Nightdress. She bought a silk nightdress. Vest. Vest. He wore a vest under his shirt. Underwear. Underwear. Always wear clean underwear. Tracksuit. Tracksuit. I wear my tracksuit for jogging. Sportswear. Sportswear. She sells sportswear in her shop. Overcoat. Overcoat. His overcoat is very thick. Waistcoat. Waistcoat. The waiter wore a black waistcoat. Boots. Boots. My boots are muddy after the walk. Sandals. Sandals. She wears sandals in summer. Cardigan. Cardigan. He gave her a warm cardigan. Tank top. Tank top. I like wearing a tank top in hot weather. Leggings. Leggings. She wears leggings with a long shirt. Culottes. Culottes. Culottes are comfortable and trendy. Rain boots. Rain boots. Wear rain boots to keep your feet dry. Slippers. Slippers. I wear slippers inside the house. Sweatpants. Sweatpants. He wears sweatpants when exercising. Pullover. Pullover. She took off her pullover because it was hot. Poncho. Poncho. He wore a poncho during the rain. Kimono. Kimono. She looks elegant in a kimono. Overalls. Overalls. Farmers often wear overalls. Dungarees. Dungarees. Children like wearing dungarees. Bow tie. Bow tie. He looks smart with a bow tie. Necktie. Necktie. He adjusted his necktie before the interview. Bandana. Bandana. She tied a bandana around her head. Headband. Headband. Athletes wear a headband to keep sweat away. Mittens. Mittens. Mittens keep your hands warm in winter. Ear muffs. Ear muffs. I use ear muffs when it's freezing cold. Rain hat. Rain hat. A rain hat keeps my head dry. Sun hat. Sun hat. She wore a sun hat on the beach. Fleece jacket. Fleece jacket. He bought a soft fleece jacket. Shawl. Shawl. She covered her shoulders with a shawl. Cape. Cape. Superheroes wear a cape. Jumpsuit. Jumpsuit. She wore a red jumpsuit to the P. Robe. Robe. He wears a robe after a shower. Anorak. Anorak. He put on his anorak before hiking. Windbreaker. Windbreaker. I wear a windbreaker on windy days. Sarong. Sarong. She wrapped a sarong around her waist. Kaftan. Kaftan. She wore a kaftan at home. Gym shorts. Gym shorts. He wears gym shorts while training. Compression wear. Compression wear. Athletes use compression wear for support. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. I wear flip-flops at the beach. Loafers. Loafers. He wears loafers to the office. Espadrilles. Espadrilles. She bought colorful espadrilles. Sneakers. Sneakers. My sneakers are very comfortable. Cloak. Cloak. The magician wore a long cloak. Trench coat. Trench coat. She looked elegant in her trench coat. Hooded coat. Hooded coat. He bought a hooded coat for winter. Peacoat. Peacoat. A peacoat is perfect for cold weather. Thermal wear. Thermal wear. I wear thermal wear in winter. Undershirt. Undershirt. He always wears an undershirt.